Now we're going to talk ProSearch. ProSearch is a product of Realtor.com. ProSearch was the first third-party site, syndication site, if you will, out there that did data mining and in the real estate trade. They have a lot of information. About a third of all MLSs in the country have ProSearch. It's only for agents and brokers for MLSs that contract with them. Let's go look at one really quick. I just pulled up a quick zip code here, and you can search just about any way you want. I like the map feature. We can go there and see it on the map. I can move this map around and so on. Just pick the properties that we're looking for. The full property comes up, but this is a lot different from what you're used to seeing on Realtor.com. In fact, if you want, go ahead and compare. You're never going to go back there again. So this gives us all kinds of information. The sold data, it's actually owned by these people. They're hyperlinked. I can click on them, see who has more properties and so on, previous owners. And then we get into full information. This system goes out every time there's movement on a property in an MLS. It goes out and updates all of its records. So all this information that we're looking at, we can really hang our hat on and know that it's pretty much 99% accurate. As we go down, scroll down, of course we get into a beefed up area with the data sourcing. Of course, if it's one of ours and one of theirs too, it'll have dual sourcing. Then I get into full public records, everything. I mean everything, all the taxes, APN numbers, subdivision names, you name it. In fact, even the recorded legal description. Then we get into all of the taxes on the property so that you know what the taxes are and if they're in fact current. Property tax down here, this is actually paid. This might be in their arrears here because we do a year ahead here in Florida. Property history, every time it's been on the market, something's happened. Let's see what it is. And a full comp map. We can go ahead and grab all of these comps if we want. And now we get into statistical information that's provided by the federal government vis-a-vis the Census Bureau. I like this property. I'd like to send this to one of my clients. I simply go up here to this puzzle piece. This is where our browser extensions live. Simply click on a browser extension, click on List Assist Plus, that's our product. If you don't have it, email me, I'll get a copy to you right away. You can, of course, add this to your MLS account in your cart, or you can request a showing. So let's just add it to the cart right now. Once I've clicked on it, I get a nice message that said, yep, absolutely, Joey, it went. Then I just go over here. I refresh, I got 26 in the cart, now I have 27. Now the property's there. It's really that easy.